Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem if the Epic Games launcher setup wizard ended prematurely. So first thing first, go to your settings, apps, right here, find Epic Games launcher right here, click on the three dots on the right and click uninstall. And after that, go to your local disk with the system, go to program files 86, find Epic Games folder and delete it. And after all, just try to install the Epic Game launcher again. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope it fixed your problem. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.